Hey guys, in this video we're going to tackle a little weird issue that you usually have while working in a PowerPoint presentation. That is, once you save your PowerPoint file, it says some of your phones cannot be saved with the presentation. And it gives so much headache that you simply can't really solve out. You just go through your slides, you don't find any clue, because if you look into through your slides, you don't even find that there is somewhere the font lives in it. You can't easily find out. So the easy fix I'm going to tell you, let's start with me. So what you have to do, just close this file and just rename this PowerPoint file as zip. And once you do that, you just open it with your any preferred zip file program. That I use Winrar. I open with Winrar, and I just what I do, I just extract this whole folder. And the next thing, once you extract this file, you have to open the Notepad++. So I open it out. Now once you do that, just do one more thing. You just go to the file and just go to search menu and click on find in files by pressing Ctrl Shift F. You can do this as well, and then click on the find in file tab and just locate your folder, or rather copy it out. My shortcut, I love it, the shortcuts. So now I paste the folder in this directory, and now what you do have to do is just rename this and find out which fonts were giving you the issue. So I hit open. I open the file again and just press save, and I got about 3 to 5 fonts giving me the issue. So I just keep this font name in my mind. I just go to Notepad++ and I type the font name. For number one was Adobe Arabic. I click find all. It actually searched the occurrence of the Adobe Arabic in my PowerPoint file, and it shows me about 3 places I have this font name. Simply what you have to do, just double click on this line 2, and it simply shows you the place where the font exists. Just do one simple thing, just select from this open tag to / close tag, first close tag, and hit Ctrl X, and then search, and then do Ctrl F, and you do one more thing to simplify this process of replacing it. I just press the tag here and replace with nothing. I click replace all. Oops, didn't find out. Now let's click on this one as well, this one as well, this one. Okay, I close. I delete this tag as well, and let's see if there is any other occurrence of this as well. I just search again, Arabic, find all. It just still found one more occurrence of it. I don't get it. I click clear all again. I just try search it again. I play file again. Okay, we found one occurrence of the font. Okay, this time it comes out. I just delete this tag. And now I hit save. I hit I hit close this one as well. Now I search for a second font. If you think that this just look a bit complicated, let me simplify this a bit more. I'll search for quicksand again and close all other files with pressing yes. Now let's go back to our files and just um create their zip file again as pptx by selecting all of these files and folder and right click and choose add to archive, and you click on zip and type pptx here and just save it as my new template. Okay. I just close this before I do anything else. Okay, this is my new file, my new template. I double click on it, just ask me to repair it. I click repair, yes, and now hit OK. Now I hit save it again. It should ask me to browse because it's repaired file. I go for browse and just save the new PowerPoint file here, my new working template. I save, and voila, there is no missing font issue. So this looks a bit complicated, but once you try it out, it looks pretty simple. You just need to have a Notepad++ and a Winzip program. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if things work out, please subscribe me. And bye bye for now, and get ready for new videos.